The Cold War was a tense and complex period of history, lasting from the end of World War II in 1945 to the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991. It wasn't a traditional war with battles and invasions, but a global struggle for power and influence between two superpowers, the United States and the Soviet Union. Let's dive into the key events that define this era of spies, nukes, and the space race. The Cold War began in the aftermath of World War II, as ideological differences between the capitalist West, led by the United States, and the Communist East, led by the Soviet Union, became apparent. Europe was divided, with Eastern Bloc countries under Soviet control and Western nations aligned with the US. The term Iron Curtain, coined by Winston Churchill, described this growing divide. At the heart of the Cold War was the nuclear arms race. Both superpowers rapidly developed and stockpiled nuclear weapons, each capable of devastating destruction. The Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962 was perhaps the closest the world came to nuclear war. When the US discovered Soviet missiles in Cuba, just 90 miles from its shores, a tense 13-day standoff ensued. Diplomacy prevailed, but the incident highlighted the fragile nature of peace during this time. Meanwhile, espionage played a central role in the Cold War. Spy agencies like the CIA and the KGB engaged in covert operations, gathering intelligence and influencing governments worldwide. High-profile spy exchanges, such as those on the Glienicke Bridge in Berlin, became symbolic of the secretive nature of the conflict. Double agents like Aldrich Ames and Kim Philby added to the drama and intrigue of this shadowy war. Another defining aspect of the Cold War was the space race, a competition for technological and ideological supremacy.